got a problem. We got a billion seagulls here. Hey, Dad, give me a piece of bread. Give me a piece. Give me a piece. Is that a dog? Dog bird. Here. Right. Okay. If you didn't. Oh, sorry that. You didn't see that. Okay. Don't put up. I want them to. Give me a piece. Here. Give me that piece. Piece. Okay. See, they caught it. They got it. Watch. Hey, Daddy. Whoa. This is awesome. This is so awesome. Hello. Seagulls. Welcome. Come to my. I took a piece. It's like a scavenger hunt thing. Food. Oh my gosh. How many of these are there? Alright, so we're all out, and so hopefully I won't have to end this video if I can find some more food. Alright, is there any more food?
There's something you need to know.
Is there any more food, Mom?
Sorry, we couldn't fit all of you in.
Alright, guys, I'm so sorry, but alright, so we're gonna have to end this because we ran out of food. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video. Subscribe if you're new, and these guys over here are putting up a comment, and these guys are over here are doing it too. Cause they noticed that we were doing it, and now it's their turn to have some fun with the seagulls. And I just hope that they have as much fun feeding them as we did. And I hope they tried my dad's thing, because it looks really fun. And these guys might have it, and hopefully these guys have as much fun as we did. So I'll just see you guys in another video. Goodbye.